Hello, welcome. I want to share with you the best methods for flossing your dental implants. Now, I have all-in-4 dental implant bridges. And if you're like me with dental bridges, it can be pretty tricky getting anything that's caught underneath your implants out from under there. So I will share with you 2 easy methods for getting those loose items from underneath your implants. The first method that I'll share with you is the old school string method. Now, you can purchase these kind of like O-loops from the store, and how they come is pretty much a circle and a string. And this is a little bit tougher than just your regular dental floss, and now this can actually get underneath your implant bridge, and you can tie a piece of regular floss to this circle to make it a longer string. So you kind of have a long piece of floss. And what that does is you have a kind of a tougher string that can get underneath the bridge, and you can kind of pull it with your other finger, and you can kind of go in between each implant screw that you have to kind of clear out those items. Now this is a little bit more of a manual method, and it can be a little trickier. So you might like the water flossing method better, which is what I'll share with you next. Now, I didn't even know these were a thing, but it's pretty cool. I picked this up on Amazon for about $20, just a generic. This brand is well fine, and it works pretty well for me. One big suggestion is to use these when you're in the shower. Main reason being is they can be pretty messy, and they'll splash everywhere, and they're pretty powerful. And so what this does is you can fill this up with water, and it charges, and you have different settings. For instance, it can be for bad breath, gum problems, tooth plants, orthodontic, teeth trash, decay. It can just get all this gunk and stuff from under your teeth, your implants. It can clean your gums, clean your teeth. It's pretty cool how this works. So I do recommend a style of this, but just to take it easy and not to use it until probably at least a month after you've been in your healing process. In the meantime, you can use like toothbrushes, or sometimes you can even use these plackers, little toothpicks, can kind of help and get small areas. Now, if you have dental implants or the all-in-4 style implants with a dental bridge, you're not going to be able to do the vertical flossing that you're used to doing. You might be able to use this just to kind of clean some of the cracks and crevices, but the traditional flossing that you're used to, you're going to have to relearn a new method. And those new methods would include either using a water flosser or dental floss. With dental floss, you can't just use any dental floss. It does have to be some of the stronger strength stuff to be able to get underneath and through your dental bridge. So that's some tips I have for that there. And then as far as the water flosser goes, it can be messy. And they have a variety of different tips here. There is a tip style that has more of a hook that can get kind of a better angle. So I would recommend finding a style that does offer a little bit better of a hook. And there is a variety of different attachments that you can use, as well as different settings and pressures and pulses that you can set this to help get some of the stuff from under it. Now, you are able to kind of put it at an angle and get all the stuff from underneath your bridge, pretty much clear it off. It's pretty impressive how quick this can clean your dental implants. And you definitely don't want to have it on the highest setting at first. That's my tip, because it can hurt, it can sting if you have sensitive gums. So I would start it at the low setting to start, and then kind of progress going forward. But as far as flossing with dental implants, these are my tips for you, and I hope that you kind of got some knowledgeable information from this, something useful that you can use in your own experience. So there you go, folks. Thank you very much, and have a great day.